iFan03 is an automation product from Sonoff using which you can not only control one appliances, but in addition to that, you can also control the speed of your ceiling fan on the go. And well, there are many options to control this product. You can control it via smartphone, via Alexa, via Google Assistant, and also via RF remote, which comes along with the product itself. And just stick around with this video as me in collaboration with Sonoff brought some amazing gifts for some of my subscribers. Okay, so let's see how to use this iFan03 product. So this is how you'll receive the product, and I have attached its purchase link in the description, so do check it out if you find this product interesting. So inside the box we get the iFan03 module itself, a user manual, a quick start guide, a RF remote, and one quality check card. So this is all about the box content. And talking about the main product, then at the first look you'll find that two antennas are coming out of the product. So let me tell you, one of the antenna is for Wi-Fi communication and another one is for RF communication. Now when I opened the actual product, I found out 4 relays and 2 capacitors, which I was not expecting at all. But after researching a bit, I found that this product works on capacitive dimming method. That means they have made a separate pair of RC circuits for providing different amount of current. So if I explain the connection diagram of this PCB, then out of 4 relays, 1 relay is used for just turning on and off one appliances, that may be a light, and other 3 relays are used for controlling the speed of the fan. So here they have provided 3 control options: low, medium and high. Talking about the high speed, then in the high speed relay, the current is directly provided to the fan. That means in this condition, the fan will consume the maximum power from the source. And in the low and medium speed, the current will pass through this RC circuits respectively, which will limit the current and hence it will limit the power as well. So this is how they are able to control the speed of the fan. Now let's connect the appliances and see this product in action. So along with this product, I have connected one tube light and one ceiling fan according to this connection diagram. Now here, let me tell you one thing, that for dimming or controlling the power, you should only use ceiling fans. This product won't work with the low power appliances like a small bulb or even with a table fan. I tried connecting that appliances, but I didn't get the results. Hence I contacted the engineer team of Sonoff and they told me that this product is dedicatedly made for ceiling fans, and they also provided me the amount of current that flows in each mode. So here are the data which they provided me in the email. So this data clearly states that this is only made for ceiling fans. So make sure you don't use any other appliances as they won't work at all. I already installed this product in one of the light and fan of my studio. Now here, be very careful while playing with the switchboard. Make sure you turn off the mains before opening the switchboard. So after successfully making the connection, I just closed the switchboard. And as soon as you turn on the product, you will be able to hear this kind of beep sound. Okay, so now it's time for configuring RF remote and Wi-Fi. Let us start with configuring the RF remote. Now when you hear this kind of beep, just press and hold any random button on your RF remote and the product will automatically recognize this remote. So now you successfully configured the RF remote. Now you can control this product with the help of the remote itself. You can turn on and off the light, and you can also control the speed of the fan with the remote. Now let's go to the Wi-Fi configuration. For that, just press and hold this button for more than 5 seconds. And you will start hearing the beep as before. Now just open your smartphone. Make sure you connect your smartphone with the same Wi-Fi network whose credentials you want to provide to the product. After that, just open this app called EV-Link. Click on plus. Go to quick pairing mode. Here provide the Wi-Fi credentials and click on next. Now the product will automatically receive the Wi-Fi credentials. After that, you just need to name the product. Well, I will name it as Studio Light and Fan. That's it. Now I can control the studio lights from anywhere in the world via internet, and I can even control the speed of the fan by going inside this product. Isn't that amazing and very easy to use? Do like this video if you find this product interesting, and maybe if you like the video, you can get the product for free. Yes, now it's the time for the surprise. So me along with the Sonoff decided to give 2 products to 2 of my viewers. So one of the product will be the Sonoff mini switch and one will be this iFan03 module. So for participating in the giveaway, you need to follow these steps. So first of all, you obviously need to be subscriber of techiesms. Then you need to like this video, of course. After that, you need to follow and like the official Facebook page of techiesms and the Sonoff. I have mentioned the link for both the pages in the description. And lastly, you need to comment down about which Sonoff product you love the most and add the hashtag IoT made simple. Well, I chose this hashtag because both Sonoff and techiesms are trying to make products and projects that make IoT simple. Hence, I use this hashtag IoT made simple. So do follow these 4 steps and just wait for 10 days. And after 10 days, we both will be selecting 2 random winners and we'll be contacting them soon. So yeah, this was all about getting started with iFan03 product. Now just wait for my next one. Until explore, learn, share with me, techiesms.